welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lonely Star, and I'm back here with another video for you guys. Don't mind this pimple, y'all already know. Right by today's title, I will be starting my back to school maintenance prep. So yay, back to school season is finally here for me, at least. So today is August 19th. It's Tuesday, and yesterday was Monday, obviously, but I got my toes done, and so today I'm gonna get my nails done. And right now I just started like taking some things down and like started packing. I moved in for college on Thursday, and I will be doing a move-in vlog for that. And then Wednesday I will be getting my hair done and then doing my lashes. At first I wanted to do my lashes like the night before school, like on Sunday, but then I was like, I have welcome week, and welcome week we're gonna be doing like a whole bunch of stuff, so I was like, you know what, why not? So that's basically what I will be doing. But today I just want to get like a lot of stuff packed, like a lot of stuff that I'm not using packed. And I know I'm late, but I'm gonna get it done. It's gonna get done, okay? So I'm back from getting my nails done, and this is what it looks like. So stinking cute. I never gotten I was about to say French tips. I never gotten stilettos before. I love it. My friend always eats down. Like, this is so cute. I probably would get this like all the time now. But yeah, for the most part, I'm like done packing. I have all these bins and bags right here. So these green ones are my clothes. This ones are like shoes and bags. And these are like personal stuff from my room. Right now, I'm going to take a shower. I'm also gonna shave so I can get that out the way. So I won't have to do that while I'm at school and everything. Tomorrow I get my hair done. I gotta take an Uber to go to the hair salon. I'm out of the shower and I totally forgot that I had to wash and blow dry my hair for my hair appointment tomorrow. And like, she washes hair, but I need my hair to be washed. I need my hair to last me a while. And y'all, my hair keeps on shedding. Like, yeah, I know I be having problems with my hair. But thinking about doing a big chop, maybe next year, honestly, just to grow it out some more. I mean, I haven't even worn my real hair out in a very long time, so I feel like a big chop would be okay. But my hair is very like, I don't even know what it's called. Like, it's like short right here, then long right here. Like, it's just a lot of stuff going on. So I just needed to do a reset. And so I might just do that next year. I also need to clean my makeup brushes. And I might as well do it like tonight, so I could just get that out the way and like it can dry tomorrow and just pack it all up.
Support
I just finished getting my hair done and I love it so much. It's so long and full. I actually can't wait until it like loosens up because I just know that it's gonna look very nice and it's gonna lay nicely. So hopefully by like the first day it will do that. But yeah, I really like it. Oh my god, I'm so hot and tired, but right now I'm just putting everything downstairs and packing up basically everything. I'm leaving my skincare stuff out though because I'm gonna need that. Where's my toothbrush? Where's my toothpaste? You know, it don't matter. But like I said, hopefully I find the time and the energy to do my lash clusters because I know once I step on campus, it's going to be busy, busy, busy. A whole bunch of events and stuff that I'm required to go to. So, and why not have my lashes that look, you know, done up? You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. Wish me luck. Got no pennies on, I need your support now. I know you gotta be laid up with a big booty. Feeling hella positive cause she got a big booty. I know I'd rather be laid up. You know I'm sensitive about having no booty, having nobody, only you, buddy. Girl, you hold me when nobody's around us. Open your heart up, hoping I'll never find out that you're anyone else. Cause I love you, just how you are. And hope you never find out who I really am. Cause you'll never love me, you'll never love me, you'll never love me. But I believe you when you say it like that. Oh, do you mean it when you say it like that? Oh, I believe you when you say it like that. You must really love me. Hey y'all, I did my lashes. I actually did them yesterday. It's been so hectic. I couldn't really like film or do much ever since I got on this campus. Like, oh my goodness. But school literally starts on Monday. Today is Saturday. And yeah, I'm a bit nervous, but I'm gonna get through it regardless. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't too long, but this is literally what I do for maintenance prep. Nothing much to it. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my moving vlog and my first day of school. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.